Hey, what's up, guys? So today we are back working on the D21 here, and today we're going to be installing some LED lights. That's right, some 194s for our license plate light, which is something I've been wanting to do for a while. Yeah, guys, so this installation is pretty simple. You don't need any tools at all. If you did want to replace this bracket here, you can. They sell them on Dorman. They're like 15 bucks a piece, and it actually has a clear lens right here. So right there, that lens is not clear. It has like a film over it, and it basically makes your light not as bright. If you wanted to have that super bright LED license plate light, then I would replace this bracket. All right, guys, so you can see here our halogen light and the bracket here. It kind of gives it like a dull, dim effect because it has that film over it. But I didn't want to spend the 30, 40 bucks on a whole bracket. So I just decided to just swap them out, LEDs, and we're gonna see how they look. It looks retro and everything, but at nighttime, I do a lot of night driving, and I just want people to be able to see me. So, all right, guys, so to access the bulbs, you have to go underneath the truck, and just right on the back bumper there's pretty much the lights, and you just twist them out, I believe. So we're gonna do that right now. And guys, I didn't notice how much surface rust my bumper had on the inside, but it's not terrible. Anyway, so all you're gonna do is grab this and twist it out. Bam, like that. And your light falls out just like that, and then you just pop that bulb out. All right, guys, so we're gonna grab our light here, and we're just gonna pull this out. Just like that. Then we're gonna get our new LED and pop it in. This is a 194. Bam. Okay. I want to test and make sure that that's in there. Okay, it's on. It works. It's bright. We're happy. You just literally pop it in like this, like that, and then you twist it. Trust me, you'll know when it's in. Just tug on it because you don't want it to come out. It should be locked in place. It's pretty good. All right, now we're gonna move along and do the other one. We got our light, and we're gonna just twist this bad boy into place, just like that, and we're all set. Oh yeah, guys, one thing I forgot to mention is that if you're gonna change this whole bracket, all you need is a flathead, and you just pop this off like this right here, and then this should come out. You just push it forward. It'll come out through the other side of the bumper. All right, guys, so we got our LEDs on. We got it nice and dim in here. So we're gonna hit the switch, see what these LEDs look like. I'm hoping they come out great, but we shall see. This will let me know if I want to go LED headlights. Oh. Oh, man. Would you look at that? That's freaking bright. Dang, that's brighter than I expected. Oh my gosh. Wow. I know it's hard to see on the camera, but it's pretty dang bright. Let's do an overhead glance right there. So that's what you're looking at. Hold on. Let's see right here. Yeah. That's nice. Yeah, people are definitely gonna be able to see you at night. Wow. Let's see if I can get like that. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, it's super bright. But I'm gonna put the link in the description. Don't worry, I got you guys. Like I said, hey, safety first, right? This is a real important thing if you're driving tonight. You know, I want people to see me. That dim light was cool, retro, old school, but I just felt like people couldn't see me in the pitch black. So this just, yeah, I feel a lot safer at night. All right, guys. Well, I will see you later. Thank you so much. And yeah, take care of your buddies.